of everyone as stars, each having their own radiance, a light shining in the white sky. Some may measure a star's meaning or purpose based on its brightness, but the dimmer kinds do not make them worth any less. Perhaps it is a matter of distance, that those stars appear faint only because they are farther away for their light to appear brighter in one's eye. On the contrary, I once read that if a star shines exceptionally bright, it leads to a much shorter lifespan, destined to, at a faster rate, burn out. To our President and Founder, Dr. Pablo R. Olivares, Honorable Mayor Edwin L. Olivares, our Vice President for Academics and Services, Congressman Eric L. Olivares, our Vice President for Finance and Administration, Ms. Evangeline L. Olivares, our Assistant Vice President for Finance and Administration, Ms. Francesca Bernice Olivares Ilas, our Executive Academic Director, Mrs. Cynthia R. Acosta, our distinguished guest speaker, Mr. Edison D. Orculio, our Executive Principal of the Integrated Basic Education Department, IBED DRLO, Ms. Maria Socorro C. Arcelias, our Assistant Principal, Mr. Romel R. Elagan, the Head of the Office of Student Affairs, Ms. Maria Teresa V. Vicente, the Head of the Prefect of Discipline, Mr. Bernardo Soralde Jr., along with our esteemed coordinators, dedicated faculty, staff, proud parents and guardians, and most especially my fellow graduates, a heartfelt greeting to all of you. It is of great honor to stand before you today to deliver this speech in dedication to every moment where it feels like heaven is crushing the earth with me. To every sacrifice that has been made in tears, blood, and tiredness. I could not have done it without God, who strengthened me, walked along with me, and was there by my side. It is through Himself that I am able to stand in front of everyone here today. That in His presence, I came to be who I am. To Jesus, who has blessed me with so many things, not just in my senior high school journey, but the entirety, I am grateful beyond words. How are you o kumusta? These questions are one of the core of kindness, especially in one's well-being. But they're